I'm changing the way I coach, and I'm going to be completely transparent with you and honest about why. This is coming from me not being happy with the version of myself that was showing up as a coach. I stopped holding people accountable the way I know they need. I became too soft, too understanding, too quick to say, don't worry about it, life happens, shit happens, we'll get back to it next week. And the truth is, that is not how I got through my own shit. I didn't pull myself out of the eating disorder by being gentle with myself. I didn't rebuild my body and my confidence and actually build a career by just accepting excuses. I did it by being ruthlessly honest with myself and refusing to accept mediocrity, and just showed up even when I really didn't want to. And that resilience is what ultimately changed my life in the end. And I stopped coaching that way, and I don't think that was doing you guys on social media or my clients any favors by doing that. So this is me getting back to what I actually believe. You need to be challenged, you need to be pushed, you need someone who's going to ask you the difficult questions and not let you off the hook when the answer would be uncomfortable. That's what you need for a transformation. And that is what Zenith Fit is going to be from here on out. If you want someone who's going to go easy on you, there will be plenty of coaches out there who will do that. If you want someone who's going to tell you the truth and push you harder than you'd push yourself, you know where I am.